basically is for homesteads and small beekeepers that don't want to tie up hundreds of dollars in frames. You buy frames, time to ship them, you're paying $4 a frame. I made these right here. I made mine out of this right here. This is scrap lumber. It came off the house down the street in the subdivision they were building. They called and I said, take it, we're gonna burn it.
Oh, okay.
So I brought this stuff home, put it on my saw, cut it down to whatever I need. It ain't cost me a penny.
Wow.
Just a few hours. But that's how I'm making my frames now. Now, what I'm doing here, when I go out to harvest my honey, I took my tote, put my bar across it. As I bring my frames out of my beehive, I set them right there.
This was whenever you're harvesting?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'll take the one out the hive, put it there, take one of these and replace it.
Okay.
So that way, nothing's on the ground. It's nice and it's convenient.
That is
And
convenient.
it's fast. It is.
Frames for beehive.
Frames for your beehive.
Okay.
Okay. This is the original way they were made. All these little cuts and dips, unless you have a lot of machinery, all this needs to be cut and shaped. And I got one here that's whole somewhere. Oh yeah. And you can make this. Well, I made that. It takes hours, unless you have the right machines, to make a dozen of these. Okay? And then when you made the dozen, you had to make all this stuff to fit perfect. Fit perfect. Fit perfect. And all that. And it takes too much time. So, what the fellow on YouTube did, instead of making all these notches, top and bottom, he went flat, straight. Okay? But now, when you did that, this is shorter. Instead of, see, it all is the same size, but you cut this and you go in flat. Make your notch, slide it in, glue it, hit it, come to the other end, slide it in, glue it and hit it. Same thing on the bottom. Just
Where's
nail
the
it.
notch at?
Huh?
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Oh.
You see? Yeah. Instead of having all these little notches that you got to nail through and all, he nails strictly to it.
Okay.
I made 3 of these in less than 30 minutes.
Wow. And you said it took you hours to make.
Yeah, it took hours. On the first ones I made with these, it took hours. I mean, literally like 3 days to make 10 of them. But now, I can go out there on my saw, and it's so simple. All you have to do is make the bottom, that's your bottom, right here. That's your bottom. All you gotta do is cut it to side, the width, to length, and cut your groove in it. What's that take? 30 seconds?
Yeah.
Rip, rip. Same thing on the top. You take it, you cut it to length, you cut your groove in it, and you just take, there's your top and your bottom. And since these are cut straight, they don't have all these fancy cuts and notches. It's just a matter of cut, bam, nail it together. But I'm gonna make about 5 more of these frames. And then I'm gonna make another hive. I'm gonna split my hive in a couple of months.
Why are you gonna split it?
To double my bees.
Oh, okay. They just have more room to grow.
Oh yeah. Right. I haven't harvested any of the honey. Basically, what I've been doing, I feed them bees. Even in the summer, I fed them, trying to build that hive. And then when I split it, at the end of about the end of the summer, March, May, something towards there, I'll be able to pull honey out there you won't believe.
Oh, wow.
Because I haven't taken a bit of the honey out yet. But there's what we have for that. Okay.
After a day of videoing, look at Pawpaw, Sammy, and Allybug. watching their video.
Here's a quick video today on this thing. I think I did good.